Hi everyone. Today our topic is soils of India. Factors affecting the soil. The major factors affecting the formation of soils are the nature of the parent rock, climatic factors, vegetation, relief, parent material, and other life forms and time. Besides all these factors, human activities are an influencing factor to a large extent. Other factors comprise the topography, role of organic material, and time taken for the composition of soil formation. All these differ from place to place. Okay. Classification of soils. Mainly 8 types of soils are found in India: alluvial soil, laterite soils, arid soils, red soil, black soil, peaty soils, forest soils, and saline soils. Okay. First one is alluvial soil. This type of soil is found in the northern plain of India and the river valleys. These soils cover approximately 40% of the total area of the country. They are depositional soils, transported and deposited by rivers and streams throughout the country. The alluvial soil varies in its nature from sandy loam to clay. Generally, they are rich in potash. In the upper and middle of the Ganga plain, different types of alluvial soils have developed. They are Bangar and Kadar. Bangar soils are older soil. Kadar soils are newly formed alluvial. Okay. Then alluvial soils are more clayey and loamy in the lower and middle Ganga plain and Brahmaputra valley. And the color different from light gray to ashy gray. Shade depends on the texture of the material and time taken for attaining maturity and the depth of the deposition. So alluvial soils are intensively cultivated. Next one is laterite soil. The word laterite means brick. These soils develop in areas with high temperature and high rainfall. Then also these soils are rich in iron oxide and aluminum compound are left behind. The humus content of the soil is removed by bacteria. The laterite soil is poor in organic matter such as phosphate, calcium, and nitrogen, while iron oxide and potash are excess. Hence, laterite are not suitable for cultivation. The red laterite soils are mainly found in Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and more suitable for tree crops like cashew nut. The laterite soils are widely cut as brick for use of house construction. Laterite soils are commonly found in some state of India, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, and the hilly areas of Assam and Odisha. Next one is arid soil. The arid soils range from red to brown in color. They generally have sandy structure and are saline in nature. Nitrogen is insufficient and the phosphate content is normal. Arid soils are characteristically developed in the western part of the Rajasthan state. These soils contain little humus and organic matter. Okay, that is about the arid soil. Next one is red soil. Red soil develops through crystalline igneous rocks in areas of low rainfall in the southern and eastern part of the Deccan Plateau. Red soils are also found in parts of Chhattisgarh and Odisha and in the southern parts of the Middle Ganga plain. Red soils are generally more fertile in nature. Okay. Black soil. Black soils is also known as rigor soil. The black soils covers most of the Deccan Plateau, which include parts of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra, and some parts of Tamil Nadu. These soils are also known as black cotton soil, generally deep, clay and impermeable. And also it is occurs a kind of self-ploughing and retain moisture for very long time, which helps crops in dry season. So that is about the black soil or rigor soil. Peaty soil. They are found in the areas of heavy rain and high humidity where there is a good growth of vegetation. These soils are rich in humus and organic content to the soil. Peaty soils are normally black color and alkaline nature in some places. Peaty soils are found in northern part of Bihar, southern part of Uttarakhand and coastal area of Tamil Nadu, Odisha and West Bengal. So next is forest soil. Forest soils are formed in the forest areas in India where sufficient rainfall is available. They are acidic in nature and forest soils present in lower valley are fertile. Last type of soil is saline soil. They contain a large proportion of potassium, sodium and magnesium and thus they are infertile and do not support any vegetative growth. They spread in western part of Gujarat, deltas of eastern coast and in Sundarbans areas of West Bengal. Okay.